Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your spoiler on your BL Mazda 3. So first we're going to want to open the boot. Now once we're in the boot, we're going to have to remove these caps, as one either side. You can just get something under and flick it off, and also the center trim. Now once that's off, there will be 4 nuts, one in here, one here, one here, another one on the other side. Take them off. Once that's done, disconnect this here. Push that out of the way. And once that's done, you see here, there's a clip holding it, so you just want to break this free. Repeat for the other side. Now for the frightening part, after 4 bolts are disconnected, your wiring disconnected, both sides the clips been taken out, put your boot down, pull up in the center here, and there you have it. So that's removed. You just have to, as you saw me, be gentle, then make sure that you have the full weight of it, so when it does come off, it is finally off. Just show you, there are these 3 special eyeliner clips that are holding it in at the end, and these other 2 normal clips. These ones are very common to break, so if you are needing, you can replace these ones. Then you're for 10 mils. Now it is the opposite to reinstall. Very simple, just put it on, smack it down a few times, make sure these ones are lined up. Now if required, you can take your light out, 4 screws here, light comes out after removing the other attachments, and you're done. Now to put it back on, make sure first you feed your wire through for your light, and once it's on, sit it flush. Now for installation, first thing is align this one in. And make sure that's in first. Once it's in, carefully put your spoiler back on. Like that. Give it a few taps. Okay. Now all our locating bolts and lugs are in, so now we can go put it back up, put our 10 mils in, reconnect our wiring, and put our caps in, and we're done.